I am so tired. I know this video is going to be super dark, but I just worked out. I didn't do like a bunch of stuff. I just kind of did a little bit on the treadmill, and then we went to the stair stepper, but I did like a different stair stepper. Usually I just do like the normal one that's like the actual stairs that like rotate, but this one was like a different one. It was almost like a sliding one, like not the like calf one, but like it literally, well, it's actually more like this. And ugh, after 5 minutes it was terrible. Actually, it was terrible after 2. So I burned about $4.50, and then I'm literally headed home and I have to cook dinner. I'm doing chicken noodle soup for dinner tonight, and that should be delicious. So that's all that's really going on. My video, oh my god, my video just went live. The first part 1 just went live. Hopefully people enjoy it. It took me so long to edit these videos. I really, really, really hope people enjoy them. So fingers crossed. Okay. I am back home. I am cooking dinner. I just put the chicken in probably like 20 minutes ago, so I need to let that like simmer. And then I'm gonna chop some veggies because we got to add it all in. And I didn't realize I needed to screw you one more time. There's no saving that. So I'm going to put you down so you can watch me chop veggies if you want. I am so tired. I am so tired. Literally, I don't know if it's because like I didn't take a break after Winter Plannerland, and it's like I edited 3 videos on Sunday. The Get Ready With Us part 1, and then a nail video. And I really should have edited a nail video today, but I think I can get away with maybe tomorrow or something and just do that. And then I need to get in the shower. I need to sleep. Thankfully I did laundry last night, so I don't have to do laundry. But I think it's gonna be an early night for me because I don't plan on doing a single thing. The first video went live, and that's really exciting. I hope the amount of work that I did on that video is returned. Like, I hope it's a good video that people want to watch. If not, that would really suck. I'm debating posting it in Planners Gone Wild. Again, I don't really post in that group just because, obviously, but I think I'm gonna do it. I think people might enjoy it. Right, Deems? What you doing? Hi. What you doing? Are you being a brat today? Hmm? What you doing? Okay. Ah. Yep, okay. You're fat. You just want to be in the vlog? You just want to be in the vlog? Hmm? Okay. Oh, yep. Just help yourself. He's so cute. I'll keep him around. Oh, the babies. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try to post it. We'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna sit here with the cat until he bites me. All right, so I'm so zoomed in. Oh, wrong way, hang on. Yeah, because I'm about to clean my closet. Well, part of it. So I think I have mentioned this many times. I have a cleaning problem, meaning I make such a mess and I need to clean it all the time. So now I'm going to clean my closet, at least this part. My husband is on his own, although I do clean his side quite often. I reorganize because that's just who I am. So I guess I'm now known for nails and cleaning. So maybe this channel turned into a clean with me from now on. So yeah, let's get into the cleaning. All right, so this is looking much better. Normally I have this color coded, however, I haven't really been wearing this stuff, so I'm trying to like pick out the things that I'm wearing. So the things that I'm wearing tend to end up over here, so that's kind of like why this is not color coded. I know, it's dramatic. Finally clean this off down here. So this is what happens when I try things on. It just goes right here. My cat. He's such a jerk, and I guarantee y'all would know which one this is. This is a Christmas gift for Mike. So I'm just kind of shoving it in there. And then this is my t-shirt drawer. I have a problem. So I'm organizing into t-shirts that fit me, that I look good in, then the big t-shirts that I can just wear. These are donate. It's not the first time going through my closet. I know I have a problem. So I want to go through these. I just haven't fully committed, but I am organizing them down here. So we'll see. We'll get there eventually, okay? And then I did reorganize this of my husband's, these t-shirts here, and then down here, and I moved his jeans over here, and then his sweatshirt because it was driving me crazy. But like I said, I kind of refuse to touch my husband's side. These were color coordinated, but then I moved things that aren't over here. This is when we went to Florida for the wedding. It was like Hawaiian hula thing, so he has that, and I just find that hilarious, so I keep it there. So yeah, and then these are all the old polos I'm trying to get him to get rid of. Actually, all of these. I want them gone because they're all bad now. So yeah, that's my husband's side that I haven't really dived deep in. And then I have this stuff over here that I'll eventually organize.